Sometimes we just need to breathe and appreciate life. Sa sobrang focus natin sa pag-hustle to make money and to build the future that we want, nakalimutan na natin ma-appreciate yung nasa paligid natin. Kanina nagising ako ng 8 a.m. Nasa kama lang ako for the past 20 to 30 minutes. And while na nakahiga ako, iniisip ko yung mga progress, mga achievement ko for the past months and years. Last year, gustong gusto ko ng iPhone. And on that same year, October 26, 2023, nabili ko yung iPhone. Hindi yung gusto ko talaga, but it's better. The important is, nakabili ako ng iPhone ng sarili kong pera. And this year, January 30, gustong gusto ko din ng laptop. So my plan is, kailangan ko tong mabili tong laptop ko na to on May 1, 2020. So I got it. Nang May 10, 2020. My first ever iPhone and laptop